From space, we can witness the immense power and sheer scale of nature's most fearsome storms. Hurricanes are the Earth's mightiest storms, capable of covering hundreds of miles and bringing devastation wherever they make landfall. But from above, these monsters reveal their true size and beauty, captured in stunning detail by satellites orbiting far above. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 largest hurricanes ever captured from space. Stay until the end to see the largest hurricane ever recorded, and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more captivating content. Number 5. Hurricane Harvey, 2017. First up on our list is Hurricane Harvey, a storm that left an unforgettable mark on Texas and the Gulf Coast in 2017. With a diameter of 250 miles, Harvey wasn't the largest storm by size, but its impact was monumental. Harvey is remembered not only for its intense winds but also for the devastating flooding that submerged entire cities. As you look at these satellite images, you can see how Harvey's bands stretched across the Gulf of Mexico, covering hundreds of miles and threatening millions of people. While other storms on this list may be larger, Harvey's destructive power made it one of the most memorable hurricanes in recent history. Billions of dollars in damage, thousands of rescues, and untold hardships followed in its wake. Despite being lower on our list in terms of size, Hurricane Harvey became the second most costly storm in U.S. history, second only to Hurricane Katrina. Though the eye of Hurricane Harvey may look calm from above, on the ground, it was anything but. The real danger came from its unrelenting rainfall, drenching areas with more than 60 inches of rain in just a few days. Number 4. Hurricane Matthew, 2016. Next on our list is Hurricane Matthew, a Category 5 beast that struck Haiti and the southeastern United States in 2016. With gale force winds stretching 500 miles, Matthew was a massive storm that devastated entire regions. Look at the satellite images of Matthew, and you'll notice how this massive system spread out over the Caribbean Sea and into the Atlantic, affecting islands and the U.S. mainland alike. At its peak, Matthew reached Category 5 status, making it one of the most powerful hurricanes to hit the Atlantic in recent years. What made Hurricane Matthew particularly destructive was its deadly path. It struck Haiti with full force, leaving widespread destruction and causing over 500 deaths in the country. Its massive size meant that even places hundreds of miles from its center felt its power. From above, it's almost hard to comprehend how a storm that appears so beautiful can cause such tragedy. Matthew's large size allowed it to impact multiple countries as it made its way up the coast. Number 3. Hurricane Nicole, 2016. Only days after Matthew, another enormous storm formed in the Atlantic, Hurricane Nicole. With a diameter of 815 miles, Nicole battered the island of Bermuda in October 2016, causing significant damage. The satellite view of Hurricane Nicole is breathtaking. Spanning more than 800 miles across, this Category 4 storm demonstrates the raw power of Mother Nature. From space, you can see the perfectly formed eye in the center, surrounded by towering clouds reaching into the stratosphere. Bermuda, located right in the storm's path, faced the full brunt of Nicole's force. With winds exceeding 130 miles per hour, this storm left significant damage across the island, with homes and businesses destroyed. The eye of the storm was clearly visible from space, a calm zone surrounded by swirling chaos. Although Nicole didn't make as many headlines as some of the other hurricanes in recent years, its size and strength make it one of the largest storms to ever form in the Atlantic. The fact that it came so close after Hurricane Matthew made 2016 a particularly devastating year for the Atlantic hurricane season. Number 2. Hurricane Igor, 2010. At number 2, we have Hurricane Igor, a Category 4 hurricane that raged across the Atlantic in 2010. Spanning an impressive 835 miles in diameter, Igor was a truly massive storm, one of the largest ever recorded. Igor was an enormous hurricane, and when you look at the satellite footage, it's easy to see why it makes this list. Its swirling bands stretched across the entire North Atlantic, affecting places as far north as Newfoundland, Canada. What's remarkable about Igor is how far it traveled and how it retained its strength across such a long distance. Although Igor didn't make landfall as a Category 5 storm, its sheer size meant that it impacted multiple countries and caused significant coastal erosion in Newfoundland. This storm left a significant impact in Canada, a country not typically in the path of major hurricanes. Igor's enormous size meant that it brought strong winds and heavy rains far inland, causing flooding and damage in places that rarely see hurricanes. Number 1. Hurricane Sandy, 2012. Finally, we come to the largest hurricane ever recorded, Hurricane Sandy. Known as Superstorm Sandy, this storm grew to an unprecedented size with a diameter of 845 miles, the largest ever recorded in the Atlantic Ocean. Sandy was only a Category 2 storm when it made landfall, but its size was unrivaled. From space, the storm was an overwhelming sight, stretching across the entire eastern seaboard of the United States, from Florida to Maine. Sandy caused catastrophic damage across the northeastern U.S., particularly in New York and New Jersey. Despite its relatively low wind speed for a hurricane of its size, the storm's size and unique path led to record-breaking storm surges, flooding subways, homes, and streets in New York City. Sandy is a stark reminder that a hurricane doesn't need to have the highest winds to be devastating. Its massive size and combination with other weather systems made it a once-in-a-lifetime event, one that will be remembered for decades. From space, hurricanes appear as majestic and beautiful natural phenomena, but on the ground, they represent devastation and destruction. The 5 storms we've highlighted today are a testament to the power of nature. Whether you're watching from space or preparing on the ground, hurricanes remind us of the delicate balance of our planet and how quickly things can change. If you found this video captivating, be sure to subscribe for more insights into the world's most incredible phenomena. Thank you for watching and stay safe.